Hi everyone. So today is the day I told myself, you know what, I'm not sure but I'm gonna do it anyway. So this rose is from Mayon. It's called Princesse Charlene de Monaco. It has beautiful fragrant roses, but it can grow too high to be in a pot. I think for a pot I would like to have something that stays up to my nose level. So yeah, this one is going in the back garden. So give me hope, give me strength, because look at all these spikes. It's gonna be tough. Okay, it's out. What a beast! So I think I won't ever try and move a rose that is in pot, or at least alone, or at least that huge. So I need to take off a lot of it, and so yeah. Thankfully, this coat was a very old and used one. I tried to save my pair of jeans. So see you on the next episode. Okay, I've made it. Maybe I'm gonna have a very bad back pain for some days, but it's here. The hole is dug, and so now I just need to do the easiest part. It's gonna be done before being completely dark. I'm happy. It's finally done. I'm glad it's done. So it's there. Just here is Princess Alexandra of Kent. So it's gonna begin to grow together, and I think one day I'll have a third rose here. But for now it's gonna be nice because it's supposed to grow a little bit smaller than a Princess Alexandra of Kent, but I've seen really tall canes on this one, but I'm gonna try and keep it smaller so I can have a look at the other roses, and this one not being a trouble. So yeah, anyway, it's done. I'm happy. I've done enough in the garden. I've messed enough with my coats.